Hey guys, welcome back to DelphStack, and today I will be showing you how to fix error 100005000 zoom. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is first things first is if you have a firewall or antivirus, temporarily disable them, and mostly that can fix the issue. Now, if it doesn't, guys, what you could try to do is you could just simply go for the CMD here at the command prompt application, and from here you could just simply go for ipconfig space slash flush DNS. And mostly, guys, this can fix the issue if you flush your DNS. Now guys, if it doesn't work out, what you could try to do as well is make sure you are running the latest version of the application. From here, select your profile at the top right corner, and as you can see, you will have here check for updates. So guys, sometimes if you are running the outdated version of the app, this can cause some issues. Now another one is you could just simply reset your connection. So you could do that by selecting the adapter over here, or the network. Select network and internet settings. And now over here, you could just simply scroll down and go for the advanced network settings. So guys, just simply disable this and enable it back again, and mostly that can fix your issue. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.